This is the route we take to go to Torrevieja Town Centre from Altos del Limonar, and the road runs parallel to the CV905, which is the main route out of Torrevieja. It's a journey of 2.2 miles, and today it takes us to the very centre of Torrevieja. He's putting Spanish flag up, look. It's all to do with this Belen celebration. Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Oh, look who it is.
Who is it?
Yeah, we haven't seen him for ages.
Yeah.
One of our new subscribers.
Yeah.
Oh, I am hungry.
You've had your breakfast, haven't you?
No,
Oh, no, we didn't have anything, did we?
I'm starving.
Oh, well, you have to get something later.
We're here at the Plaza de la Constitution, and just behind us there you can see the Church of the Immaculate Conception, and that was built originally in 1789, but then in 1829 something happened, didn't it? What happened?
What happened? There was a big, massive earthquake.
Earthquake?
Yeah.
What, in Torrevieja?
Yeah, and it all fell down.
All fell down?
Yep.
And they rebuilt it using the stone from the old tower. Torrevieja means old tower. Old tower must have been knocked down and they used it to build the church.
How do you know that?
Because Laura Hamilton told me on Place in the Sun last week.
Ah. We've come to see the Nativity Scene, which is on from the 28th of November until the 8th of January.
Today is the 3rd of December and it's a lovely day. It's got a lovely blue sky there, not a cloud in the sky.
About 16 degrees.
And it feels nice and fresh. And we're going to go over there and have a look at this structure. It's about 30 metres over that side, it's about 10 metres long and encapsulates not just the Nativity but also scenes from Torrevieja, like the salt mounds are there. And it's fantastic, you know. I'm going to show you some pictures now, so let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
Okay, so on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Bing! Adios.
Adios. We're going to go for something to eat now.
Oh yeah, I'm starving.
Oh yeah, come on then.